The nighttime sky has been so brilliant here at the farm, clear and bountiful. Sharon Ramel with you from the couch, just loving the fact that the gifts keep on going from here to evermore. It often reminds me of the Leonard Cohen song, "We're so small between the stars and large against the sky." The stars have definitely been telling me to rest and restore after releasing my Master Shamanic Journeying course and updating my very first course, our Shamanic Initiation Rites, into the Munai Key. We all have times like this when we need to shift our daily rhythms and spend more time in a state of rest, free of toxins to clear, rejuvenate, reboot, and restore. Deep restorative sleep is an absolute priority during these times. And another great tip is to have a wonderful Epsom salt bath. That certainly gets the sleep pattern going very deeply. The wisdom of shamanism shows us how to access our own innate guidance and healing, and that this is available for all of us who are willing to listen. Our organs, cells, and bodies have the ability to tell us what is needed to restore balance. And as you deepen your skills with your coursework, you will develop a rich source of contracts with the plants, the spirits, the animal spirits, to each other. You will work together to restore balance. For the spirits of the plants, animals, higher realm guides, and the energies encoded in the sacred geometry of life are amazing, powerful allies, and we meet them fully when we place ourselves in our highest sovereign state and treat them as equal. The key is to surrender, for we humans are rechargeable. Never forget that as you explore and journey into these realms of being at one with all of creation. It is your job to get in there and decipher the messages that you have been gifted, and this allows you to see how your soul's energy relates to every single thing that you are doing or what happens to you. And this helps you find an easier alignment in everyday life. Plus, it helps you understand why you feel compassionate or compelled in the many areas of your life. Rest and restore when you need, and go when the time says so.